Moto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for clicking. Thank you so much for the new subscribers, and thank you so much for the new members. If you're new here, guys, subscribe and turn on your notifications so you do not want to miss any of my uploads. Guys, as you can tell today, I am in my kitchen. Yes, there's a reason that, but we are going to fry something outside, guys. As you know, I have an outdoor grill. It's summer here, guys. Summer. It's 104, 105 degrees. It's burning. We're burning here. But hey, your girl here, Motolasa, I have to keep cooking. I have to keep frying, okay? So today we are going to deep fry something outside, guys. Have you ever heard of a Kenyan chin chin? I know some other countries you have your own chin chin. It's a snack, but it's made out of corn flour, and it's called chin chin. So today I'm gonna show you how my mother taught me how to deep fry the chin chin. Let me show you the ingredients that I have, okay? Give me a second. Now guys, look what I have. This is corn flour. So this is the main ingredients. I have corn flour here. I have a huge bowl here. I have sugar. I have salt. I have oil. You can use oil of your choice. This is vegetable oil. And I have a cooking stick here. And I have water. Guys, these are the ingredients to make the Kenyan chin chin. So what I'm going to do here, I am going to boil this corn flour in here in a big bowl. Like that. Guys, what are you waiting for? And I'm going to go ahead and add sugar. It's just a little bit of 2 scoops of sugar, teaspoonful. That's enough. And well, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit like that. And I'm going to use my cooking stick to kind of mix everything together. Guys, remember this is corn flour. You can use any type of corn flour. Corn flour, you know, it's made out, it comes out of maize. I don't know how your country you call maize, but we call it maize in my country, Kenya. But here in America, we call it corn, okay? So this is a mixture of corn, sugar, and salt. Make sure it's well mixed, because the next thing we are going to add water. Guys, you can use warm water if you want to, or you can use cold water. Really, it doesn't matter. You can just use any. So what we're gonna do here, our aim is to make this into a dough, okay? And at the same time, you can go in and dig in with your hands, which I'm about to do in a little bit, but I just want to make sure my water is enough. Guys, I'm recording while I'm starting. It's gonna be a challenge, but hey, we have to do this. So after I have done this, guys, I guess it's now time for me to go in with my hand, okay? My hands are all washed, very clean. So I'm gonna dig it in here, and I am going to make a dough. Let's go. Motolasa, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel or watched some of my videos, there are so many videos that I've done. Cooking videos, you know, Moto Lifestyle. I'm here to kind of show you the lifestyle in America. You know, there's so many people who want to come here or who love America, and you guys want to see what people do here, what people eat here, how people really do things here. And this is why Moto Lifestyle is here to kind of show you everything, guys. I mean everything. Right now I am making, oh my gosh, Kenyan chin chin, or Kenyan snack if you can call it. So as you see, guys, I'm making it a dough. Let me get some more. Guys, as you can see, the dough is here. So as you can see, I have extra bowl here, clear bowl, where I'm going to roll this dough into small balls. But I need an outer container like this. I'm gonna pour a little bit of oil. This oil is going to help me roll the dough into small pieces. That means I'm gonna put the bowl into my hands and I'm going to roll. Let me show you. Oh well guys, this is the dough and this is the oil. So I'm gonna dip my hands into the oil like this, and I'm gonna get the flour dough, and I'm going to roll into small balls. Guys, it depends on how much, you know, bigger size you want. You can roll it into this bigger size, or you can cut it and roll it into small pieces like this. So this is the size if you want to, and let me show you different sizes. Or you can roll it into this size, see, or you can roll it into another size and press it down like this. So you can make it in 3 different sizes. You can press it down like that. You can make it a little bit bigger, or you can make it smaller. All this is gonna be Kenyan chin-chin, okay? So let's go ahead and make this size. I like this size, okay? You can do any of these sizes. So what we're gonna be doing now, I'm gonna be dipping my hands into the and roll. There's a ball. So that's what I'm gonna do. All of it, guys. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it. You see? But you can do faster. So I used to see my mom. It's been so long. This is how she used to do. And then the next thing we are going to do, because I already lit fire outside, guys, we are going to deep fry it outside in my outdoor stove. Guys, if you have not watched my videos of my outdoor stove that my hubby constructed, go ahead and watch it. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll it so that I can take you outside, guys, and then we deep fry this, okay? Stay tuned. Oh well guys, this is how they look like when you finish the balls. Look at them, they're different sizes, but that's all right. So I'm gonna go quickly outside so we can start deep frying. Come on, let's go. Just turn it. I'm turning it on the other end. You see how they're becoming brownish? Look at that. Guys, comment below if you made this. Oh my gosh, this is something. So this is how it looks like after I'm putting it in this container. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. So I have to cover it with this foil so that it can prevent it from being so hard. I want it to retain all the moisture so that it can be very, very soft. Yes, guys, I'm cooking more. I think this one's ready. So almost ready. And yes, guys, it's been a while since I uploaded a video about my stove. The reason being it's been summer. You know, it's summer even now. At this point I'm cooking right now. It's actually 6:30 evening. The sun has gone down. It's a little bit of breeze. That's why I'm like, oh, let me come here so that I can cook something for you. I can fry something for you. Finally, I'm frying African Kenyan chin-chin. So this thing, my mom showed me how to make it. We used to fry it long time ago. And I'm like, I need to try this. And we used to actually buy it in the market. I remember when we were in a school, there's some ladies there, you know, parents used to come lunchtime, break time, they come and sell to us. They were like, they had this bag. When you go there, they count like 1, 2, 3, 4. It depends on how many you need. They count it for you. You give them money, and then that's lunch. And then we started cooking it home. My mom used to cook it, and it's been so many years. I tell you guys, so many years. And then I was thinking about, can this be like Kenyan chin-chin? And I'm like, let me just try it out here so that we can see how it works. And actually this is my second try. I tried it before, it was really good, and I'm like, today I'm gonna make it for y'all guys so you can see. Yes, this is my outdoor stove, guys. If you did not watch the videos how we constructed this outdoor stove, it's not completely done because we need to cement it. We need just to kind of look beautiful, but for now, because of summer and the heat, we are just using it the way it is right now. And guys, as you can tell, this one already, I don't want them to be burned, so let me go ahead and get them out, put them in this container. This is the container. We will put them in here. So what I do, you see, they're ready. So I'm gonna scoop them like this. Make sure all the oil drains, Yes, and then drop them in there. Guys, this is Umoto Lifestyle. Go ahead, guys, and subscribe, share with your family members. Yes, this is in America. It's not in Africa. I tell you, in America, you can do anything you feel like you want, okay? You see, I'm bringing Africa to America. Who does this? Guys, if you know the proper name, how we call this, please let me know. It's a mixture of nothing else other than corn flour and a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, and of course cooking oil. You see? And then outdoor stuff. That's all we do. So guys, you see, I'm done cooking them, and yeah, I am going to put it right here. And look at it, guys. This is crazy. I tell you guys, this thing in the morning or evening with coffee and or tea, sun has gone down. So guys, our chin chin are ready. Comment below, guys, if you know the proper, if you come from Kenya and or anywhere else, guys, if you know the name, how we actually call this. Let me cut it so you can see. Okay, guys. Yummy, yummy. It's hot, guys. So my mint tea is almost ready. All I need to do is to put some tea leaves in here with the mint. Wow. Guys, comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. Look at that. Comment, ask me any question, guys. Subscribe if you are not. Please leave the comment. Turn on your notification bell so you know when I'm popping. You know, I'll keep popping in videos anywhere. But for now, we are eating the chinchilla, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.